These are the elevators at the JW Marriott Water Street in Tampa, Florida. They're Mitsubishis. We got this one right here. Let's go up to 27, which is the rooftop lounge, the beacon. Here's a quick one. And let's go back down to one. Here are your buttons, which are not really buttons, it's a touch screen. You do have a keypad. Here's your inspection certificate, which actually says Mitsubishi on it as the address. Here's your cab view. You can actually put in 27 and it'll show up right there. We're gonna send this one up and get another one. I'll cut the one we do. We got this one. We started with elevator 3, now we're on elevator 5. Let's go to 27 again. Let's go lobby. So it's kind of hard to see, but it says no smoking right there. And it says, this is a fire service panel, elevator HPE 5, capacity 3,500 pounds. We've got dual indicators, as you can see, and dual buttons. Touch screens, not buttons at all. And even keypads, there's 2 keypads to type in a floor. We're gonna ride one more. And we have, I can't tell, this one, elevator 6. So let's go to 27. This time let's watch both of the indicators. Here's a better view from 27. We're gonna call another one. We already rode this one, I think. Yeah, this is 5. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to 26, and I'll give you a little look at a hallway while we're at it. Also the light, I think the light just flickered. So, here's a look at your hallway. Interesting how the room numbers start at 51 and go up to 86. And up until 2022 or 3, 26 was the highest floor you could access because Beacon wasn't open yet on 27. So, as you can tell, someone was on the elevator we were just on. And I think we've already been on that one anyway. So we're gonna get another one. I picked 21 just because, well, the first time I was here was in 2021. And we have this one again, the same one we started with. You know what, let's just go down. We're gonna go to 1. Get off. So now we're on 12, which you can see we're slowly getting closer to the ground. We're close enough that you can see the swimming pool. And 2 of them just chimed. We're gonna wait for another one. You can see we have a map right here. You can see these are the 6 elevators and these are the 3 service cars. I'll cut them when we get one. We got this one. So this one has a rear door, although we're not going to open it. Here's your certificate. This one doesn't say Mitsubishi on it, it just says JW Marriott. Actually, on second thought, if we can we open it? Nah, it's not letting us open the rear door, but I'll just show you real quick. So this elevator over here is actually this elevator right here, which is the designated elevator to go up to Beacon if you're not staying here. So, as an added bonus, we're also going to ride this elevator, which goes up only to floor 6. It doesn't serve 5. 6. Pool is right out there. We're going to go down to 1. So the cab is identical to all the others. The cab's identical to all the others, but again, it serves completely different floors. Well, not different, but only goes up to 6. So here was your certificate. You got escalators. And to end the video, I'm just going to show you the atrium right here. Also, by the way, on the second floor there is a walkway to the regular Marriott Water Street. That'll be it.